Where are you joining from, guys? I'm excited. I'm excited. Good afternoon. Good morning, guys. Kindly click on the like button, on the share button. Click on the like button, click on the share button. Let's go. You're welcome to another Forex Outlook section. I'm really excited. Good to see you guys again since last week. Last Saturday was woo! Last Saturday was explosive. We had a great session at the foundational protocol of wealth. Last week was boom. If you missed that video, you miss out. Okay, guys. And to this week, we're live here. Live here today. I'm really excited. You're welcome. For a lot of you who are just joining for the first time, my name is Mayowa Owolabi. I've been playing in the Forex market for a while. So I've been playing in the financial market since 2009. Okay, I've been here for more than 8 years. Yeah, going to 10 years right now, if not plus. And I've consistently seen a lot. And my goal is to help you share my own view. Like I do tell you, I'm not telling you that I'm the best, but I'm telling you that I'm most sought after. Okay. So I just want to share with you every time we come on Wednesdays, we talk about the Forex market. We talk about the kind of trades we're looking out for. I share my view and we are here to scale up. Okay. Really, really pumped up about this because I've seen things, I've seen um, people who really want to make things happen for themselves, but is it that they don't have enough money to get started with premium programs? And my goal is that the little you've been able to engage on YouTube, you can also have somebody that can help you, give you some direction. Basically, that is it. So one more time, you're welcome to Mayowa TV. And today's episode, we are dealing more with the Forex outlook. Really pumped up. Hey, good afternoon, sir. I missed a lot last Saturday. It's all right. It's all right. Good to have you. Tell me where you guys are joining from. And as usual, do us a favor to click on the share button so that we can reach out to more people and be a blessing to them. Really, really excited. Let's go. Really, really excited. Let's go. Tell me where you're joining from. Tell me where you're joining from. Tell me where you're joining from. We're live. Tell me where you're joining from. How has your trades been this week? I've not picked any trade this week. And you guys know that I only trade Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays. I don't trade every other time. I trade basically I have days I trade up in the week. So how's your own trading been? Some of you are scalpers, you are intraday trader, and the rest of them. Hey, hey, Eric Vaughn, where have you been? Always from Lagos. Ebuka says from Lagos. Good to have you. We have Oke Daniel Oluwadamilare. I'm Daniel from Lagos. Good to have you, Daniel from Badagry. Okay. Good to have you guys. I'm excited. Let's click on the like button. Let's click on the share button. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We're also sending broadcast here so that we can reach out to more people. Get your notes, get your pen as usual. It's going to be a great time. It's going to be a great time. I want to share. You just have to share. You just have to help some people, to help some people, to help some people. Thank you for sharing. Yeah. Help some people to help some people, to help some people, and we are good to go. I'm doing that right now. Daniel, how are you doing? Are you already trading, or you're new to Forex? Okay. Thank you. A lot of people are just joining. Fantastic. Tell me where you're joining from as you are coming on. Tell me where you're joining from. Ogechi Igbenero says, good afternoon, the Ozana strategist. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining. I'm sharing so we can get people to join. We are live, and the reason is because we can get more questions, we can answer some more people question, and that's basically why we're doing that. I've done like G's. Great. So we've done it. Great. Daniel says, I'm new to Forex. I'm just beginning. Fine. That's good. Nice. Good to have you on. So, guys, as usual, you're welcome. And the first thing we're going to be dealing with, as usual, let me see. Okay. Emuka says, my trade has been up and down, but good thing is that I make some mistakes and I correct. Oh, that's the spirit, Emuka. I can tell you for free, that is the spirit. It is a crime to keep learning and not correct yourself. It is a crime. I love that spirit. I love that spirit. What makes you to grow is what you're working on continuously. Amazing genius from Lagos here. Good to be here. Thank you so much. I know it's a Charles. Thank you. Thank you. How are you doing? It's been a while, I know. Say, where have you been? We've not seen you online for a while. It's been a while. It's been a while. Okay, so let's get busy as usual. The first thing we'll do is to approach the market from the investor's point of view. And there are several ways to get this done. You can use COT, you can use index, you can use uh, uh, monthly time frame to check out the direction the investors are looking at. And if you've been following me for years, I've taught you guys over and over again that the institutions, when they come into the market, they don't trade the way we trade. And because they don't trade the way we trade, we need to find a way to spy or to look at what they do. And the only way we can get that is either we are using the COT report, or we are using the index, the currency index. And when you're using the currency index, it allows you to know the strong pair for the week, the weak pair for the week, and you know that we've mastered that over the years. If you have been following me, we've mastered that over the years. So basically, once you have that understanding, the goal is now that how can I mix it up? How can I blend the weak against the strong, or the strong against the weak?
And that is where you can get the imbalances from. But if you don't know and you're just going to the chart to click buy and sell, you're going to be doing a lot of buy and sell, and you're not leveraging on the market volume. And that is very, very important. If you're excited to be here one more time, can you put in some 777 in the description? Put in 777. Let me be sure you guys are excited the way I am excited. Let me be sure you guys are excited. I'm really pumped up because my goal is that I want to help you add to your success, share my own views. You can use my strategy, you can use your strategy, but you must leverage on the two other components of the market. The three components the market is based on is on strategy. The second one is on psychology, and the third one is on management. That is why I am big at management. When you enter a trade, what do you do? When you enter a trade, what do you go after? When you enter a trade, what is your stop loss? When you enter a trade, what are you losing? What are you risking? When you enter a trade, all of these things are critical for you to succeed. And if you do this, I can guarantee you that you will definitely be doing well. If you don't follow management, you don't follow all of that, you will not get the exact result you want to have. And that is why I am pleading. Don't just come to class. Don't just come to my session because it is free. Come to it because you know that Mr. Mayowa have done well for himself playing in the financial market, and you want to pick my brain or you want to learn from me. Thank you so much, Emokaf 77, Ogechuku 77. Joshua, good to have you here again. Okay, Daniel 77. Okpebiko says, sorry I'm late. Yeah, it's all right. Chime Oluchi says 777. Fantastic. That's the energy we want to see. So let's get into the indexes. The indexes. The indexes. Okay, so as usual, we'll come here. Then when we come here, you guys know I deal with monthly a lot. And I've told us over a month right now that the market is stuck in this supply zone. The market is stuck in this supply zone. It's stuck in this supply zone. And if you're a supply and demand trader, you would have learned that a lot of time when the supply is below the fib retracement or fib extension or below the flip zone, there's high tendency that the market will keep going up. So that is why my bias this week still remains that JPY will be bullish. Yes, it still is in a supply zone, but this supply zone is a weak supply zone. So I strongly feel that JPY will push more either to this mid zone or push high more. So my bias for this week for JPY is that JPY will keep going higher, which is stronger. Now, having established that the next one is GBP, and GBP has come into this flip zone, and we've been in this flip zone for more than going to 2 months right now. And see that's the essence of being patient. I know some of you've been able to buy ups and down of the market if you are a what do we call it? If you're an intraday trader. However, I approach the market in such a way that I want to milk it well. Okay, I want to milk it well. That is why a lot of my trades are between 300 pips to 2,000 pips, and not because I want to trade like that, but I strongly feel that if I can go in with a good right money management and I can reduce my risk go in a moderate risk, I can make so much money. So much money. Okay, so imagine funding your account with like $100 and you've grown into about $800 with just 3 trades or with just 2 trades in just 3 weeks or in a month. The reason you can do that is that you've been waiting for that particular trade for a very long, a very long period of time, and that is the mindset you have to have. You don't want to trade it like every other person is trading it. You want to find a way to get the higher time frame, then go to lower time frame and catch your entry from there in alignment with the higher time frame. Now, will you get it immediately? I can't tell you. I can't guarantee you that. But if you spend quality time long enough, you'll be doing well. And that is why I tell people, if you want me to mentor you, I can't mentor you for 1 month. I can't mentor you for 3 months. The best I can mentor you is minimum 6 months to 1 year, because you want to go through the strategy training, you want to go through the psychology training, being able to see profit and not close, being able to see loss and not close the trade because there is a stop loss, being able to put a profit at the right place, and you are not moved in as much that the market is still moving in your direction. That alone is one of the things that is killing a lot of traders, because they are not yet right to be able to hold trade for a long period of time, and this gives them a lot of issues. So my bias for GBP is that I'm expecting GBP to drop from this zone. It's stuck in that flip zone, and the institutions need to take decision. And somebody will say, oh, really, flip zone? Now, I gave you guys, look at this flip zone here. The market came in here in 2017 and it sold for about a year plus. From 2017 November, okay, January 2018, the selling came till March 2020. So if you are able to hold that kind of trade for 3 good years, you have banked in some good profit, and you still left the rest to run for 8 months, 6 months, 1 year. That's a lot of money. So you don't need to be going in every day, come out every day, go in every day, come out every day. Now, does that mean that is a bad idea? It's not a bad idea. You can use that for cash flow, but you know that there's always going to be a battle between quantity and quality. And when you do things often, you have more errors to fix. But once you do things less in the amount of quantity, less, you will be going after the premium, the quality. And that's what we do in my mentorship group. So I strongly think or feel that GBP should come down. And if it breaks this zone, it's a confirmation concept that you need to use. So I strongly feel that GBP should lose more momentum here, and it can sell down. Now the next one, as usual, is DXY. So you want to know the bias of USD for the week, and USD has been has been stopped in this flip zone too. Now, Mr. Mayowa, does that mean flip zone works? Yes, flip zone works if you understand it. Look at what happened here. The market went up. This is a low. This is a high. This is a higher low. This is a higher high. And the market came into this flip zone in 2018. The same 2018 that the market did that on GU. So you can see GBP is stopped in a flip zone. USD is stopped in a flip zone. Now, GBP is stopped in a sell flip zone. USD is stopped in a buy flip zone. So it means that if the two of them get rejected at that zone, that means that we can hold GBP USD for a very long time, like 6 months, like 2 years, depending on how soft you are or how strong you are. So my bias here is because DXY is stopped in the demand zone, is that DXY is strong until it breaks those zones. Otherwise, that is when we would check out other conditions. Basically, what I expect you all to do is to know that the market is a if then statement. It follows if then. Come on, guys. Everybody on the call, type in if then, if then, if then. Let's go. If then, if then. Everybody type in if then, if then, if then. Thank you so much. Let me get that energy right now. Type in if then. It is an if then condition. If this happen, I will do this. If this happen, I will do this. So I'm not trading because I feel like trading. I am trading because I am following an if then condition. Hey, Okpebiko say congratulations to Mr. Mayowa Owolabi and Mayowa Owolabi companies on their second year anniversary. Thank you. Thank you, Okpebiko. Hey, Oga Augustine. How is it going? We need to talk. Let's talk. Okay, let me get an update from you. Okay, sir? Good to have you on. Good to have you on. Good. So it's an if then. It is if this happens, then I will react. So I know a lot of people that they don't want to use that, they just want to be everywhere. But guys, the sincere truth is that it is an if then. I've used this if then I've been using it for a while. Okay. Next one, so my for EXY, I don't have a bias for it because it's not clear. Now the next one is New Zealand. New Zealand is also stopped in a flip zone. So we are waiting for clarity. Clarity. Okay, AXY got a rejection from this demand, and we are expecting it to still go up. Okay, Chef bias is bullish. Chef bias is bullish. Chef bias is bullish. He's been struggling on these two candles between December and January. He's been struggling, but the pickup took out from this demand, and the rest is history. CAD is also in the bullish bias. So the challenge is that Chef is bullish, CAD is bullish, but GBP is not bearish yet. NZD is not bearish yet. AUD is not bearish yet. So what will you see? You see a little slowness in the market until they are both in a place where the institutions are moving their money conveniently. Then the market will drop. Does that make sense? If you're learning, type in I'm learning. If you're learning and you have not shared, make sure you share. Thank you. Let's increase the number. Okay. Somebody once told me that Mr. Mayowa, what you're sharing for free, everybody needs to know it. And I can't do it by myself, guys. Our goal is to reach out to 5 million people this year to access these free trainings. Okay. So if there's anything I want you guys to do for us is to click on the share button. If you're watching, no matter the platform you're watching from, click on the share button. Let's go. Let's go. Good. So what currency do you guys want us to start with today? Thank you so much, Mr. Austin. What currency pair do you guys want us to start with today? Tell me. Tell me. You guys love G, and it's because it's a common pair. Okay, Adeyinka says G. Adeolu Adeyinka says G. Caleb is greeting. Caleb, how you doing, my brother? Okay, guys, tell me. I'm waiting. Great. Emuka says GU and EG. Ariel says Euro AUD. Let it keep dropping, guys. Let it keep dropping. Let it keep dropping. Let it keep dropping. Euro USD. Okay, so we have two people that have said Euro US, GBP US. Can we go with US? Onopiti. Onopiti. Lucky. Yeah. Euro AUD. So let's do GBP USD and Euro AUD. Okay, GBP USD. Okay, so let's do GBP USD and Euro AUD. That's the two pair people have seconded on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get that done. Simeon, how you doing? So GBP USD. This is where we are in GBP USD. So the only place I can put money is around here, or around here. Okay. So if that is the case, can we now go to daily? So on daily, last week I told you guys about 1.24 zone that we are going to be looking at a sell at 1.24 zones. Okay, let me remove my drawing. So I told you guys last week about this 1.24 zone. So currently the market is in that place. I've told you guys about this zone. So when the market came into this zone, the next thing I will do, I'll go to lower time. So what I need to now do is I'll be waiting for a retracement to this place. So to help clarity, I'll be waiting now to buy. Okay, to sell, sorry. I'll be looking out to sell anything around this place for a sell. Okay, I'll be looking out to sell anything around this zone. That's what I'm going to be selling. So if I can get an entry here to be a good one. Okay, so that is why I always tell you, you don't sell on the first move. You sell on the, you don't sell on the impulse. You sell on the retracement. Okay. Okay. So this will be my sell zone. And if you use sell here, this is 52. So I can't trade this. So I have to wait till the market gives me a 15-minute entry, a 5-minute or 15-minute entry in here. Okay. I think it's going to be 5 minutes. I'll be using 5 minutes. I'll be using 5 minutes here. So my bias is sell, sell, sell. And I will hold it till minimum here. Okay. And if I can get a 15 or 20 pips straight there to this place, that will be about 1 to 25 pips stop loss. That's a good business. Oh, that means $10 to make $250, $100 to make $2,500. That is how to trade. Okay. So my bias here is to sell. Okay. My bias is I'll drop this on the Telegram group. I'll drop this on my Telegram group. So I think this should happen between now and Friday. Okay. Good. So the next one you guys want is Euro AUD. So my challenge with Euro AUD is on a monthly demand zone. And it's also on a monthly supply zone. So what does that mean, Mr. Mayowa? It means that it is where the volume is that the market will work with. I'll say that again. Okay. So if I want to trade this guy here now, I'll be looking for a buy opportunity here. Or I just stay away. Because if it's in a monthly, it's also in a demand, I'll just stay away. You must learn to stay away from, like, it's not a must you pick every trade. That's what I'm driving at. You must just learn to stay away from pairs that are not clear. But this is not a bad one, because this is an order block that has a break of structure clarity. We have several, we have liquidity. So this is a good place to buy. But I have a bias for it because the other pairs are not selling yet. The other pairs are not selling yet. Okay. So unlike GU that has clarity, I don't like to trade pairs that have, they are closing demand, they are also closing, they are in supply and they are also in demand. I don't like such movement. But if you want to trade it as an intraday trader, the only option to trade here is buy and look for a buy opportunity. Okay, so that's EA, Euro AUD, Jane Cameron, Euro AUD, and GBP, Euro AUD, and Euro AUD, and GBP USD. MoneyGram says, sir, I don't longer see your notification again when you are live on Saturday classes. Yeah, we still do Saturday classes. Last Saturday, it was not in the evening, it was in the morning. Okay. So this Saturday will be in the evening, 7 p.m. Last Saturday was amazing. I taught on foundational protocol of wealth, what you need to know about wealth creation. A lot of people think is once they know how to trade Forex, they will start making money. And they don't get that. Okay. Jane Cameron, GBP USD, and GBP USD and Euro AUD, those are the two pairs I've analyzed. Okay. Chime is saying Euro JPY. I don't know. Chime, you already have the analysis now. So what do you want me to go through again? You already have the analysis in the premium group. You want me to still analyze it again? I don't get you. You are in premium. You are still asking for analysis of. I'm giving you the analysis of the premium group. So GBP USD, we've done justice to that. Euro AUD, we've done justice to that. I need confirmation. Okay, so Operiko says NZD card. Oshikoya also says NZD card. So you know that when anybody mentions a pair, you have to second if you want that. If you don't second, I won't pick. So a lot of you have mentioned EU. I'm not here for one person. I'm here for an average 2 or 3 people, so that you guys can have something together. Our time won't permit to go through all the pairs. So let's go and do NZD card, okay? NZD card. Let's talk about my buyers for NZD card. NZD card. Come on, guys. If you're ready, type in I'm ready. I'm ready. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You guys know I work with energy. Type in I'm ready, guys. Type in I'm ready. You guys know I work with energy. Energy. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So let's deal with NZD card. NZD card. If you start from the higher time frame, NZD card is 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 in a supply zone. So I told you guys about this last week. Okay, so the bias for NZD card is to sell, guys. Sell. But the reason I didn't pick this trade is that it didn't give me my complete condition. Complete condition. Complete condition. I have a 7 checklist strategy. So a lot of times, sometimes I see 5, I'll see 6. When I see 5 and I see 6 checklists, I still don't I don't respond because I want to see 7. Okay, 7. I want to see all my checklists. That's one of the reasons why I don't trade every day, because you won't see all the 7 checklists every day. Okay, I don't see it every day. So my bias for this guy is to sell. Sell. Okay, sell. In as much that we have this, let me see, 8 hours. Sell, sell. Okay, some years ago, this is my entry. They break out of that trend line. Then I'll do 1 to 6, but I don't do that again. When you are a baby, you eat like a baby. You drink milk. When you are an adult, you eat solid food. So guys, I can't sell right now. I need to see some. Okay, let me see this. Okay, so in as much that the bias is sell, no clarity for me. Okay, but you can go ahead. I told you guys last week about this trade that we are going to be selling, but I don't have a very slim entry. I need to see a very decent stop loss, like 25 pips, 20 pips, 5 pips, 10 pips. But the stop loss is wide. Okay, but if you have a strategy, you can look for an entry to enter, sell more, so you can keep going down. But right now, I need to see. There's no clarity of entry yet. Hope this helps. The entry is not clear. Yes, sir. Remember that you're fired. Remember you're fired. Your boss strategy. Yeah. Yeah, I remember. SWOT daily confession said AUDNZ. Okpemiko says AUDNZ. Who else has said AUDNZ? Thank you. Please analyze gold. Somebody needs to second you, brother. Somebody needs to second you. Yes. Fire your boss strategy. I've done well in this industry. I've done well, guys. I've done well. I've done well. Okay, so Adeolu is seconding gold. Joshua is seconding. So let's do gold. So we'll do gold. Adedoyin says CJ. I can't, which of the CJ? There are so many CJ. CJ is just JP1. CJ is card JP1. So there's many CJ. Okay. So before we do gold and the second to the last asset, we've shared 2 assets for you guys. I've done 4 assets already for you guys. So if you're just joining, make sure you watch the replay so that you are good to go. So 3 major announcements. Number 1 is that if you have not gotten the financial freedom code, go and get it. Financial freedom code. And I told you guys, I spoke about how I approach the market in this book. Make sure you have it. Okay. It exposes you to processes. You need process more than you need money. You need process more than you need money. Okay. What you need is money. What you want is money. What you need is process. In this, I shared process. Okay. The number showing on the screen, Bukola will help you once you get this book. If you want to get this book, get it. It's about $7.5, $7.05. You can get it in Nigeria for 5,000. In Guinea for 5,000 is actually 10,000 website. We give you guys for 5,000. Make sure you get. We have the EduSell. EduSell is for everyone who is an entrepreneur. If you are an entrepreneur and you have not read EduSell, you are missing out. I poured out my mind there on how I use an amazing strategy that I've used to change my life. I'm still using the strategy. Get EduSell. Okay. The third one is the book on wealth creation. A lot of you know how to make money. You don't know how to multiply money because you've not learned how to multiply money. And if you really want to make money, let money work for you, you need to learn how to multiply money. Multiply money is critical to your success, not as a feeling, but it's critical to your success. So I recommend that everyone listening to me should get wealth creation blueprint. Very, very simple, clear pattern. The next one is cryptocurrency code and cryptocurrency checklist. You have to get these 2 books. It's going to help you to scale up. Okay. So we are releasing to the public this month, as I promised you guys, 7 battles every trader must fight and win. If you're a Forex trader, if you're a crypto trader, you need to fight those battles. Okay? You need to fight those battles. Hey! If you really want to succeed. Okay? You need to fight those battles. The battle of trading, the battles of trading. Okay? I mentioned one of the major battles I mentioned is the battle of strategy. A lot of traders will be battling with. You go on YouTube, you see several strategies, Ichimoku, SMC, my own is there, ITC. You have another one by Michael, ICT. You have another one, golfing strategy, this and that. So many strategies outside there. But guys, you need to pick one. So I identify how to select a strategy and how to create a strategy in that book. I taught guys how to identify a strategy and how to create a strategy. I said that in that book. So you want to get that book right now. I think the pre-sale link should be out by Friday. Okay. If you want to get the pre-sale link, it's going to be out. Reach out to the number on your screen to get that running for you. Now, the third announcement that I have for you guys is that today is the last day of the ITC 20% discount. You want to join our Forex community, you want to join our cryptocurrency community, or you want to join the business community where I teach people how to handle their businesses. You want to join now before the prices goes up. Our prices will be going up by February once we migrate to the new website. This is the time to go get on the board. For 1 year, I'm going to be mentoring you. You're going to be hearing from me for 52 weeks. Twice, you're going to be hearing from me. Let me see the devil. I will not allow you to succeed. Okay, so the 20% is currently on. Reach out to Bukola, call her, get started, so that when the price goes up, you will not blame yourself that you did not get it. So this is the time to get that done. And I haven't done those announcements. Let's get back to work. If you're excited to be on this call, put in I'm excited. Let me see those words there. Type in I'm excited, I'm excited, I'm excited, I'm excited. Okay, that's the number to reach out to Bukola. So we're going to be analyzing gold, and we're also going to be analyzing Euro JPY. We're going to be analyzing gold. We're going to be analyzing Euro JPY. Then we'll call it a day from there. Okay, Mr. Folonshaw says, please, sir, when is your AI training likely to hit the ground? The AI training should be ready second week or third week in February. Okay, second week or third week in February. Okay, but you can reach out to Bukola to pre-order it. To pre-order it. To pre-order it. Okay, let's go for gold and let's go for Euro JPY. Okay, guys. Good. My bias for gold is sell. My bias for gold is sell at this order block because you have a high, a low, a lower high, a lower low. My bias for gold is to what? Is to sell from 1950. Okay, but right now is yet to get to 1950. Okay, I don't think it will drop from this 1935. I think it will still go up. That's my bias on gold. Like I do tell you, make sure you have an entry strategy to enter and an exit strategy to come out of. So I don't think the main sell is ready. If I'm going to be selling gold, I will be looking at 1950. Okay, so I'm going to be looking at to buy at 1908. If I can buy at 1908, this drop base rally, I can buy here I'll take it to the top. So I can't buy, I can't sell, right? That's my analysis based on higher time frame, not based on 15 minutes or 30 minutes, which a lot of you guys do. Okay. Then let's go on Euro JPY. Okay, so Euro JPY is on this other block. Okay. It's on this other block, this rally based drop. So let's see if we can get a sell reaction on this particular trade. We can sell from, I'll drop the analysis for you guys on the Discord, on the on Telegram group. So I'm looking at selling Euro JPY around 14200. 14200. That's the okay, 14200. That's the place I'll be looking out for a sell down for Euro JPY. Okay, so that's what we have for the week. Gold analysis has been shared. Gold analysis has been shared. GBP as analysis has been shared. Come on, what will you say to my Owolabi guys and the team, the guys that are making me to come to work? Okay, we've analyzed NZD-CAD, we've analyzed Euro AUD and all of that. I'm excited. Wow. Arayomi says, sir, may God bless and uphold you. Since I have been checking your channel, my trading pattern has changed. I don't lose trade again. Fantastic. Wow. Let's go. That is a deep one, guys. That is a deep one. Thank you so much for sharing that amazing testimonials. Some people, they are learning from me. They are not sharing testimonial. God is watching your 7 minutes. I'll tell you to do 1 minute video. You will not do it. I'll tell you to do all of it. You are just doing. All you are doing, God is watching you. Everything you are doing, God is watching you. Thank you for being sincere and for sharing that. Ariyo Adeni. Thank you for that testimonial, brother. Good. Many thanks. You're welcome. One Triple says thanks a lot to your team. Thanks a lot, sir, to you and your team. You're welcome. Okay, guys, that'll be all for today. Make sure you use your entry strategy. Number one. Number two, make sure you have a stop loss. Number two, don't trade if you don't have entry strategy. Don't trade if you don't have exit strategy. A lot of people lose money because they want to make money in the absence of knowledge. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow when we talk about the cryptocurrency. Same cryptocurrency update, same time tomorrow, 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. West African time. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a pleasant day. Peace out and God bless you all. Bye bye for now.